Hi, how are you? This is Shakil Khwaja. Today we will learn the SUMIF function of Microsoft Excel. Yes, you heard it right. SUMIF is used to get the criteria-based sum of any numerical data. First of all, we will have the input data. Our input data comprises of salesperson, region, and sales. Basically, it is the regional sales data of any sales company. So we will write in output data, we will write the SUMIF function below the numerical values equal to SUMIF, SUMIF, bracket open, you will select the range of region, comma, then we will write the criteria. In our case, the criteria is East. We will write in double quotes East. Yes, you got it right. In double quotes East, comma. We will select the sales data, bracket closed. We have got the regional sales of East region, that is 1,50,000, comprising of Ali and Z sales of 80,000 and 70,000 respectively. For your revision, I will write the formula again, that is equal to SUMIF, SUMIF, bracket open. I will select the range of criteria column, then comma, in double quotes I will write East, comma, I will select the sales column, or actually the numerical values for which I want to get sum, bracket closed. I will write the formula syntax again to understand the syntax for you. Equal to SUMIF, bracket open, we will select the criteria range first, comma, we will mention the criteria in double quotes, comma, we will select the sum range, bracket closed. Thank you so much for your valued time for watching my video. Please like and share the video and also subscribe my channel if you have not till yet. Bye bye.